From Storyflo, this is your daily audio brief. Hey, it's Theo.
August 10th.
Here are 5 stories I'd flag if you missed yesterday's end of day.
Let's get into it.
First, from KD Nuggets.
Top 10 AI influencers of 2026. 10 AI influencers who are actually shaping 2026 from safe superintelligence to AI native search. Here is who to follow and why. AI is no longer a novelty, it's the foundational layer of modern computing. As the technology matures, the voices guiding its development from frontier model builders to hardware architects and safety advocates matter more than ever.
Next,
Second, from KD Nuggets. Specification engineering, the new skill after prompt engineering.
prompt engineering taught us how to ask better questions. Specification engineering teaches us how to define better work.
For the last 2 years, people have learned to get better results from large language models (LLMs) by writing clearer prompts, add context, define the role, give examples, specify the format, and iterate.
This is still useful,
But as AI moves from chatbots to coding agents, research assistants, data science co-pilots, and autonomous workflows, good prompting is no longer enough.
Up next, third from Google iBlog. Evolve your marketing with new AI tools. Great marketing has always required deep measurement expertise to uncover the why and strategic agility to execute the how.
That's why we introduced Ask Advisor, our own product or our agent across Google's marketing platforms to put those answers and actions directly into marketers' hands.
Today, we're announcing new agentic capabilities across Google Ads and Google Analytics designed to amplify your expertise, helping you uncover insights faster, make smarter business decisions, and stay firmly in the driver's seat as you chart your path to growth.
And then,
Fourth from iNews, the limits of physics AI, where Siemens says the human stays in charge. Physics AI can now explore thousands of design variations in the time it would take a traditional simulation to chew through a handful of them. Precisely up to 1,000 times faster, according to Siemens. What it cannot do is sign off a safety-critical part. On that, the technology has a firm limit, and Sam Mahalingam, who leads the business building it at Siemens Digital Industries Software, states it without hedging. Is this good for safety-critical applications? He said on the sidelines of Realize Live Asia Pacific in Bengaluru. Next, fifth from iNews. Meta Muse Glimmer brings local AI agents to consumer GPUs. Meta is releasing Muse Glimmer under an Apache 2.0 license for local AI agents that can run on a consumer GPU.
the company's Superintelligence Labs has released the 30 billion parameter model's weights on Hugging Face.
Meta says developers can use it for local coding, function calling, local agents, and LLM as a judge evaluation. The release targets an operational constraint facing AI teams. Cloud-hosted models need network access and central infrastructure. Up next, sixth from MIT Technology Review AI. These startups are chasing the next big thing in LLMs. MIT Technology Review's What's Next series looks across industries, trends, and technologies to give you a first look at the future. You can read the rest of them here. Way back in the summer of 2017, AI researchers at Google put out a paper called Attention is All You Need, in which they described a new type of neural network called a transformer. It proves to be very good at processing long sequences of data, especially text. 9 years on, transformers are the engines inside every major large language model on the market. And then, seventh from MIT Technology Review AI.
AI for science needs reasoning, not just data. Every few decades, someone announces that science has reached its end. In 1903, the revered physicist Albert Michelson wrote that the facts of physical science have all been discovered.
In the 1980s, Stephen Hawking predicted that theoretical physics might be finished by the end of the century. With the explosive arrival of artificial intelligence, the feeling is in the air again, this time accompanied by a Nobel Prize. Next, eighth from the decoder. Hidden text in a PDF is enough to steal sensitive data through Atlassian's AI agent Rovo. Security firm Prompt Armor shows how hidden instructions in a PDF can hijack Atlassian's AI agent Rovo, silently forwarding sensitive data from Jira and Confluence to an external server. The attack needs no user confirmation and leaves no trace. The article Hidden Text in a PDF is enough to steal sensitive data through Atlassian's AI agent Rovo appeared first on the decoder. Up next, ninth from the decoder, OpenAI acquires Next Slide to bring AI-generated presentations into ChatGPT. OpenAI acquired Next Slide, the startup that turned prompts, notes, documents, and research into editable presentations. The article OpenAI acquires Next Slide to bring AI-generated presentations into ChatGPT appeared first on the decoder.
And then,
10th from the decoder. Told to book a gym class, and our agent hacked the site instead to move its user up the waitlist. An Australian user just wanted a spot in a class. His AI agent found a security hole instead and exploited it. The article told to book a gym class, and our agent hacked the site instead to move its user up the waitlist appeared first on the decoder. That's it for today. Tomorrow morning, whatever the night brings,
stay curious.
That's your brief. Find every story and claim your own free feed at storyflo.com.